गाइस अभी बज चुके हैं सुबह के 8 ऑलमोस्ट। और आप देख सकते हो कितना फॉगी वेदर हो गया है पीछे, लाइक लिटरली कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू। आप देख सकते हो कितना फॉग हो गया है मेरे एरिया में। लिटरली जहाँ पर सिटी है वहाँ पर भी अभी फॉग है। सो दैट्स इट गाइस। सो अभी हम निकल रहे हैं, प्रेम आ रहा है, प्रेम के साथ जाएंगे। वी आर हेडिंग टू भूमकर चौक फ्रॉम वेयर विल बी गोइंग विद निशित। शाउट आउट टू निशित, गो फॉलो हिम, लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। लेट्स गो। सो गाइज अभी बज चुके हैं सुबह के 8:20 एंड आप देख सकते हो कितना फॉगी वेदर हो चुका है। तो इमेजिन करो अगर पुणे सिटी में इतना फॉगी वेदर है तो लोनावाला में कितना फॉग रहेगा। सो यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट। सो या वी आर हेडिंग टू एम्बी वैली एंड सो हे गाइज आई एम फाइनली रीच्ड द एम्बी वैली एयर स्ट्रिप at the Ambi Valley Run event, and you can see all these bikes going right behind me, which is an indication that the event is gonna start soon. So yes guys, you can just hear that car, Loud Polo. They just had a quarter-mile drag race just now. So yes guys, this is the basic scene that you are gonna have. Lot of quarter-mile drag race events, aka the race wars, you also know. And if you are a Fast and Furious fan, you might be knowing all about it. So yes guys, today is gonna be a very fun day, so let's enjoy it. Guys, check this out. We also have 488 GTB all the way from Kolkata. Holy moly. We also have a Skoda VRS Combi wagon. Having an Audi R8 at the start, V10 plus. Guys, check out this massive entry of this G-Wagon G63 AMG. God, fuck, that's so massive. And coming up to this side, we are at our very beloved Super Select store standy over here, and they're having this very beautiful Mustang 5.0 V8, a Lamborghini Urus right there. गाइस ये है बेसिकली सुपर सिलेक्ट का स्टैंडी एंड मेरे पीछे है Shelby GT 500. चेक आउट दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल Shelby GT 500. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is basically how the interior looks like. And पीछे है 2 seats, small bucket seats for like teenagers or small children you could say. And इसका बहुत ही स्पेशल फीचर है अपना the Shelby Cobra Snake logo. This is absolutely beautiful. Holy moly, check that. Hear that exhaust. So guys, this is pretty much how the key of this Shelby looks like. You have the ring horse logo on it. This car is like one of a car you need to have in a garage. Neon green Audi R8 V10. Holy moly, this shade looks absolutely sick. Check out this Venom Hayabusa out there. Check out the front look of this car guys. Oh my god, that is so mean. Coming up to this side, we have the famous guy Gautam Singhania's all drift spec cars over there. We have Raymond written all over them. We have the S13 Silvia, the Mustang Mach 1 1969, pulling up approximate 1500 horsepower on it. Then a lot of them, 2-3 more. So this is basically gonna be the drift track for Mr. Gautam Singhania. We are gonna have a lot of fun and it's gonna be an absolutely sight to see. Guys, check out this very beautiful M4 in this purplish shade, and it's looking absolutely sick. And also check out the rim set it is running on. Very beautiful rim set has got, you can see that, and absolutely a looker. Parveen in the house. He's here to unveil his McLaren probably. Check that out, guys. Wow. 488 GTB with the Mansory kit. Limitless SJP in the house, guys. Check that out.
India's Drift King Dini.
Come on, Deep. Yeah. Woo.
Alright, the other side is up in the
A few moments later.
The all new S-Class pulling up inside the pit. With the Ducati Multistrada making some noise. Check this beauty out, guys. You can also see the front camera, which is here. Absolutely a luxury barge.
12 seconds later.
So guys, Black Bharat is here. Whoa. So guys, me, Nishit and Abhijit have got all these Monster Energy drinks with the Lamborghini Urus on the side and the bikes over there. Nishit getting in pro mode. Here we have our gimbal. So yes guys, we are chilling right now and we are going to be heading to next section. Check this out, guys. We have got the C63 AMG right here. We have got horsepower curtails, M3, the loudest one in the country, right in front of me. And guys, then we have got RS7. Here we have the Audi R8 V10 Plus.
Parveen's Jaguar F-Type and the Ferrari 488 GTB all the way from Kolkata. Then we also have a Porsche 911 Carrera S, Abhishek Tapadia's Jaguar F-Type. And guys, we also have the Big Daddy Hummer H2 right over there, the big boss of cruiser bikes, the Honda Rune. And we have also got here my very favorite Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2. Moving up ahead, we have got S4 over here, Mazen Modi's Lamborghini Huracan, the S63 AMG. Here we have the C63 AMG right over there, and BMW M2 competition, BMW M5 competition, and the holy grail of JDM cars, the Nissan GTR. This car was there in my previous the Valley Run vlog. That time it had the golden rims, but this time it's having black rims. Here is the Audi R8. And guys, here we have today the showstopper of the day. You can see it's the Ferrari 488 GTB with the Mansour kit, and it literally has got forged carbon fiber accessories touch up done on it. The rear diffuser on this car looks absolutely phenomenal. You can see how cool is that with all the forged carbon fiber parts on it, and also here above the tail lights, even also the surrounding tail lights, we have got forged carbon fiber car parts. Work done by Sushil Auto Technique. Check that out, guys. Even with the blacked out headlamps. Even with the blacked out headlamps. Moving up ahead, guys, we have the Lancer Evolution X, owned by the one and only Jeet Tapaswi. The link is in the description, guys. Check that out. Evo X, total madness. And besides it, you have Audi RS5, but still I got the love on the Evo X, so that's okay. But this side we have got a C43 AMG Coupe and a Jaguar F-Type from the Throttle 97 group of Mumbai. And check out the lineup over here, guys. So right in front of me is the CLS 63 AMG. You can also check out Imran Majid's E63S AMG, a proper sleeper car, you can say. Let me just show you how it looks from the front. So guys, this is basically how it looks from the front, looking absolutely dope. No one would say it's a real race car until you realize what's under the hood. So that's why I can call this a sleeper car. Oh my god, GTR is getting ready for its race. Oh, sick. Just check that out. My favorite CLA 45 AMG, all the way from Mumbai. Check this out, guys. Oh, that color, man. Oh my god. Clyde Fernandez rolling in the C63 AMG. Horsepower cartel in the E93 M3. Holy shit, guys. Also an entry of another Mustang out there, dual tone Mustang, dually wrapped.
A few moments later.
Woo!
Come on, guys, give it up for India!
So guys, this is the McLaren 720S Spider bought by the one and only Mr. Parveen Agarwal. Heartiest congratulations for him for his new ride. Wishing him all the safe miles. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Check out the rush, guys. Holy moly. Check out all the bikers and the car guys getting ready. Here we have Mazen Modi Zurakan getting lined up.
Vlogs and do follow him. He's got some sick Pune supercar scenes on his channel. Go right away and give him a subscribe. Even I have subscribed him.
Okay, thank you, bro.
I'll see you around. Enjoy the party.
Follow Tuner India also. Link is in the description.
Thank you.
And also
Thank you.
on the screen.
Thank you.